This is the Poptel K1, a $45 ultra budget phone which has 1 gig of RAM, 8 gigs of storage, a 5-inch display, Android 10. Oh, and this supports LTE, which is good because phones that are this cheap usually don't support 4G for some reason. A 2000 mAh battery, the MediaTek 6737, and yeah, that's pretty much it. First impressions, okay. I can already tell there's no battery in here because it feels kind of hollow. What is this? What is all this? Okay, just peel that off, okay. And our battery is... Oh, we got a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, headphones, a charging cable, micro USB, charging brick, our battery, a quick start guide. Okay, we already know how to do this. And a warranty certificate. I like how there's only one camera. They're not trying to do like a bunch of fake cameras. It's pretty straightforward. Let's see if we have any juice in this thing. Okay, the Android 10 Go Edition. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it on your end, but the screen is pretty bad. Like as soon as you're tilting it, like it's, see what I mean? But they could have done a slightly better screen. So I mean, also obviously no fingerprint sensor. So let me set this up and I'll get back to you. Alright, so that was a quick setup. So as you can see, it looks pretty good, but the display is pretty bad, even for $45, but at least, you know, it is pretty snappy for 1 gig of RAM. So yeah, let's install a few apps. Not PUBG, obviously. Wow, the lag is real. I did that on purpose. I just want to disable the ads because that might help a little bit. Not really actually. Okay, Wind Rider. Not surprising that it's stuttering like that, but is it playable? Pretty much. Oh god. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's pretty slow. It took a few seconds to load YouTube, like almost 10 seconds. And yeah, I'm sure it will sell as time goes by. Come on. Come on. What the heck? What is going on? Okay, the speaker is on the back. Okay, so not bad for $45. I mean, it is a bit quiet, but there's no distortion. The speaker was popping a bit before, but hopefully that's a one-time thing. Rear camera is 5 megapixels, front camera is 2 megapixels. Rear video 720p, front video is 480p. So yeah, let's take our first selfie. Let's go outside. We're facing video on the Poptel K1. Like, I'm sorry guys, outside, it's going to be nighttime as you can see. And I gotta sell this phone today, so I have no time to wait till tomorrow. But either way, you know, the cameras suck. So it wouldn't have made much of a difference if I waited till morning where it still be sunlight. So yeah, I mean, for $45, 720p video, is it good? You be the judge. Front facing video on the Poptel K1. This is just laughable because, you know, it's unusable. So I mean, using this as a daily driver might not be such a good idea. Alright, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? And I'm gonna say for $45, it does what it's supposed to do. I mean, first of all, it works. So the phone actually does what you ask it to do. But that might change if you guys fill up the storage too much, which you're bound to do. But if you take good care of this phone and you're not gonna fill up the storage, then it's a decent performer for $45. It does what it's supposed to do. It's not the fastest, obviously, but I mean, it performs good for the price. That's pretty much all I got to say. Like, it's one of the worst displays I've ever seen. Cameras are terrible, speakers meh, but I'll be damned, it works, and that's what's important. So yeah, I'm gonna go sell this phone now. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.